Hello friends, hi, this is Ganesh Nayak. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves through a lot of trainings and development and mentoring. And I also help FRM and CFA students to excel and clear their exam in the first attempt. Okay. Now I get a lot of queries with respect to FRM exams that a lot of students ask me that they cannot prepare for the exam. They want to go for the exam, but they cannot prepare because of their work commitment, because it is so heavy. Okay, they are working for 10 hours, 12 hours, and they feel that they cannot prepare properly for the exam, and they might go for the exam in the next 1 or 2 years. Okay, now answering to this question, okay, I understand that because of pandemic, the work from home has increased and the flow of the work has also increased. But my answer to this question, okay, in 2 3 points is this. First, if you're going to give the exam after 2 years, 3 years, is it going, the situation in which you are in terms of your work, is it going to change? That means, will you be in a situation where you will get sufficient number of hours to prepare for your exam also? I don't think so. The reason being, as you move ahead in your career, you will obviously get more work. It is not going to happen that you will be in an ideal situation where you can start and prepare and clear the exam. Okay, so that situational change is not going to happen in terms of your work timings or work requirement. Second, if you delay the exam, okay, you will face more competition, because previously only working professionals were going for this exam, but right now I can see a lot of college students are also going for the exam. Okay, so you will be competing with them in their exam, because this is a percentile based exam, relative exam. You'll have to be better than them. So that is also an important point that you have to consider. The third important point that you need to understand is that the cost of the exam would also go up. Right now in 2021, the fees is $950. There can be some other implication like the tax, VAT being added to the cost of the exam, or the cost of the exam itself going up in the further years. So that will increase your cost or the investment that you're putting in to clear and prepare and clear for the exam. Okay, the next important implication that can happen in the future, that institute might come up with a third level for the exam, because if you look at the level 2, there are 100 chapters for the exam, which is far more exhausting. So they might break the second level into a third level exam and add a professional requirement along with it. For example, Python training or any specific training which is connected to your risk management. So if that third level also comes in, then again it will be a problematic for you to go for the exam, right? And more importantly, it is the opportunity cost that you're missing on. If you give the exam now, you clear the exam, and you go to a new role, you start with your risk career immediately. Okay, if you're planning to give the exam after 1 or 2 years and then start the risk career, then the meter or the time when you will say that, okay, I've started my risk career and this date is going to get deferred. So opportunity cost is very, very huge. Okay, you will have to be serious about your career. Okay, nobody else is going to be, neither your company, neither your boss. You'll have to take the responsibility of your career and start taking steps to upskill yourself. Okay, FRM exam, for people who want to go into risk management, treasury, compliance, and other related roles, it's a very, very good certification for them, and they can start preparing. Okay, the only thing that is there is consistent preparation and a clear goal in mind, that I will be clearing the exam on this date. Okay, I hope this video helps and answer students who have this query that they cannot prepare because they have an exhausting job. Okay, so you will have to manage it. There is no way out over here, but the benefit that you're going to get after completing the exam is going to be immense in your career growth. Okay, so I hope this video helps you. Thank you guys.